Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to change language on Duolingo. So first, what you want to do, you want to type in here, and then here you'll see course. Then you want to pick a language that you want. For example, I'm going to pick German. And then here you'll ask you how much German do you know, and whether you're learning German for the first time or you already know. And now it's gonna give you a lesson. Then after that lesson you can change it to German. And basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.